3:30 in the morning. Fire alarm's been going. After having a few drinks last night.
It's done.
It's done. The whole building got evacuated.
Nobody seems in a hurry about it.
Doesn't look like our building's actually on fire, so
The police have walked up.
the police are here, but not pleasant getting woken up like that. I thought I'd get some of this Pocari sweat. Make the long trip up the stairs. Or wait 15 minutes for the lift. Oh god, this is going to be hot and sweaty. Oh.